This is the box you'll receive. It's very compact. Backside shows the pack motors down, as you'll see it on the kayak when you're engaging and running the motors. Put it up like this. It's very safe when it's carried through the postal service. There it is. But what you actually do is you flip it around and open it up, and this is how it goes on your kayak. Some of the features you get with PacMotor that you don't get with other motors is obviously the dual thrusters. And if you want to go full right, that's going to put you on a 360. Let me do a 360 so you can get the view of the sunset. Our cable to the PacMotor like this, snaps in.
This unbelievable innovation in the kayak motors market will completely revolutionize the way you perceive power and maneuverability. With its smaller thrust level, PacMotor can push more weight than you'd ever imagine and can turn a full 360 degrees on a dime. Installing the PacMotor is a breeze, and it's damage-free. It's compact, lightweight, and incredibly easy to assemble and maintain. You'll go from setup to launch in just 5 minutes flat. Our patented design ensures your motor is firmly mounted. Wide bottom support strap is made with ultra-strong fibers, just like those used to secure heavy equipment. Not only does it keep your motor firmly on the hull, but it also protects it from damage in shallow waters. And when you're ready to switch back to paddling, no worries. PacMotor allows you to easily pull the thrusters up, giving you complete control over your experience, whether it's for changing waters or just your mood and goals. We have human support that is overseen by the founder and inventor to be sure we meet the request of our customers, ensuring you have the assistance you need. The best part? PacMotor fits 95% of kayaks straight out of the box. We've designed and manufactured it by kayakers, for kayakers. Quality is our mantra, and durability is our promise. Rest assured, it's built to last. Thanks to the joystick, throttle control has never been easier. Seamlessly move forward, reverse, left, or right with the precision of a pro. You won't believe how effortless it is to maneuver with 2 thrusters compared to those single-thrust kayak motors you're used to. Adjust your speed with a simple thumb movement. You can even set up cruise control and enjoy hands-free fishing. PacMotor is fully compatible with 12 volts to 20 volts marine batteries or Li-ion battery packs. Easily attach it to your battery using the negative and positive leads cable. Whether you're exploring freshwater lakes or salty coastal waters, PacMotor's got you covered. It's perfect for any adventure. And here's the exciting part. Today, we're offering a limited time deal on this incredible product, but act fast because the price is going to change soon. The number of items available is limited. So, what are you waiting for? Elevate your kayaking experience with PacMotor and embrace a whole new world of possibilities on the water. Visit our website and get yours today.
I'm gonna be pissed. Current is probably 2 miles an hour pushing me back. If I had a paddle, I had to like be paddling forward and then stop, fish, paddle forward, stop, fish, paddle forward, stop, fish. And that will probably take forever. And with the PacMotor, as you can see, I could go right, I could go left, and just position myself right here, cast, and just let the current take me. If I don't like how fast I'm going or whatever, I just turn the boat around with the PacMotor, easy as pie. Another thing you can do with a paddle only, you could anchor yourself, but man, you waste a lot of time anchoring, especially with current. like you had to touch the bottom properly. There's a lot of stuff that happened. It's not as easy as you think to anchor, especially here. The current's tilting me that way, but I think the yellow jacks, well, oh, what was that? Could be I think with the PacMotor it's easy to turn around, dude. No need to gain speed to use the rudder. You just press the direction that you want the motor to go, the boat to go, I should say, and you're going that way. It takes 1 second. Damn, did you see that? Did you see that? Did you see that jump? Did you see that jump? This is something good, man. Did you see that jump? Yellow jack. Just what we were after, guys.
Look at this guy. I don't know how many pounds he is, but he's freaking huge, guys. Massive. And it drops in the water. It comes with this handheld device right here that is basically your safety device, where you can still control the kayak if you happen to fall overboard, and it's going to turn off by itself when it gets far enough away from this. So I'm going to push it straight ahead and let's see what my speed is. According to the speedometer, it looks like I can get about 2.7 miles an hour out of this with it set straight down. I'm going to go ahead and deploy my pedal drive system and see if I can improve on the speed if I add pedaling. Well, it looks like I can easily get up to 3.7, 3.8 miles an hour if I add a little human power to the power of the motor. Now I'm going to go ahead and change the motor from being straight down to being angled out to simulate a situation where you're in shallower water and you want to minimize the risk of hitting your trolling motor. Okay, that angle has it barely under the water, so it's basically just underneath my hull, so I have minimum risk of hitting anything at that angle. And it looks like I can achieve a consistent speed of about 3.2 miles an hour. Let's see what happens when I add some human power at a gentle stroke to the motors out at an angle. I'm easily up to 3.5 to 3.7 miles an hour. That's pretty fast for this big beast of a kayak. Let's talk about how to use the controller here a little bit. Pushing it straight makes the kayak go straight. I'm keeping my rudder straight so it doesn't interfere with anything. If I push it all the way to the side, I get a 0 angle turn. I can turn on a dime, and if I go up at an angle, I get a gentle turn with some forward motion. One of the huge advantages of the PacMotor is you can do a 360 turn without really moving anywhere. So let's go ahead and try that out. You're gonna have to look at the background, but I can tell you I'm spinning right on a dime. My kayak is not moving forward at all. I can see how this would be a huge advantage when you're in a tight spot and you just need to maneuver a little bit without having to go bounce into weeds and trees and things like that. Let's go the other way.
Just goes like this. Let me see where I want this motor to be. Ha! Let's see how this works. So we're deep here. I'm gonna put my paddle right here. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing here. Motor is down. Oops, too much. So let's just put it right here. You see these little things? That may be good enough. Let me try the other one. I have it really up because I'm basically going through a shallow water area. And the cool thing that you could do with the PacMotor is you could like raise it up really good, like you see there, and then you could also lean one side or the other if you have to. Another thing the PacMotor gives you that another motor doesn't is you are on a stand-up paddleboard. Let's see, hopefully I don't flip. I think this paddleboard has issues. I think we're losing air. But anyways, you could stand up and you could still control your boat standing up. You could be just strolling around looking for fish. Oh my god, this is so cool. I mean, seriously, I motorized this board in 2 seconds and I'm on the water with this. Like, you could literally travel with a PacMotor and just rent a kayak and motorize in 2 seconds. You could even like probably buy a cheap battery somewhere and just